Hello and welcome. My name is Susan Bruck, and today I will share with you a meditation called Grounding and Golden Suns. We'll use visualization to release old energy that we no longer need, and then bring our own fresh, purified energy into our bodies and energy fields. If you're not used to visualizing, just do the best you can to imagine and make it your intention to become grounded in the first part of this meditation and then filled with energy in the second. So, make sure you're sitting comfortably. Let your eyes close or soften your gaze, and let's begin. We'll start with a few deep, relaxed breaths. As you breathe, notice how you feel right now, how you feel inside, in your emotions. Your body. And your mind. Now, bring your attention to the base of your spine. Imagine a grounding cord extending from the base of your spine into the earth. Like a tree sinking your roots deep into Mother Earth, who nourishes and cares for you always. Let your grounding cord find its way all the way to the center of the earth. You can, if you like, let that cord wrap around the earth's molten core, the heart of Mother Earth, once, twice, 3 times. Notice what it feels like to be grounded and connected to the earth. Now release any energies that no longer serve you, that you no longer need. Release them through your grounding cord into the earth. Release any fear, tension, worries, any energies you've taken on from others. Give all this energy to Mother Earth to transform deep in the molten lava at her core. Notice what it feels like to release that energy. And now that you've released it, bring your attention back to your body. Envision gathering your own pure, clear energy like a shining golden sun above the crown of your head. Gently gather this energy into a bright, golden orb. You can feel it with the palms of your hands if you like. Now, we're going to move that energy into our bodies. You can use your hands if you'd like, moving them in front of your body, or just do it in your imagination. Bring this golden light, this orb of bright energy, your own energy, in through the top of your head and all the way down into your body, your head, your trunk, your arms, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Feel yourself permeated with this pure golden light. We'll do that 2 more times. Gather the energy above your head in a golden sun. And pull it into and through your body, all the way down to your toes. Let it wrap around you like a golden egg that shields and protects you. Last time, create a golden glowing sun above the crown of your head. Bring it down and through and around your body. You are filled with light. You are surrounded by light, by your own light. To finish, let's take a few more deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Notice how you feel now. Inhale, exhale. Release your visualization, knowing you can connect to Mother Earth and your own healing energy anytime. Blessings on your day.